Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Teepublic in 2024. So if you made some sales on Teepublic and you're ready to transfer your earning to your bank account, this tutorial is for you. So I'll guide you to a step-by-step tutorial or access on how to access basically your earnings and maybe set up some payout methods. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into the video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you will need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that, as an example, just go to the URL section and basically type teepublic.com and hit the enter button. So once you do so, you'll find yourself here in the home screen or main screen. Of course, you can simply go to the top right corner, click on create an account to create your account. Here, as you can see, you'll be able to fill up your information once you're trying to create your account. You can even use Facebook if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. The same will be for logging in if you want to. So for me, as example, just go and create an account with Facebook. Why not? In here, and yeah, as example, why not? So I'll just go and click on give access. And yeah, as you can see, my account will be created. Now, if I go and click on create an account, okay, so just go and refresh. So the changes that you want got rejected. Why not? So let me just go and try again and see if it's going to be the same issue. Maybe try changing something. Okay. Anyway, I already have an account, I guess. I'll just try to log in into it with this. So let me just go and log in into it. I just try to show you how to create your accounts, etc. But if you want to withdraw your money, probably you don't need that, right? So yeah, let me just go and do this and sign in successfully. So yeah, here's my account. I'll just go and access it. So as you can see, for me, my earning is $0, $0, next payment, so total is $0, and item sold is $0. So if I go here to my earnings, as an example, so you'll find every information about it. As you can see in here, you can also see your store, as an example. So first of all, make sure to create some items to be sold, as an example, so you can create some earnings or have some earnings before trying to get paid or withdraw money. Basically, if you want to withdraw money, as we said, just go to your account, go to my earnings right here. And from there, as you can see, or as we said before, we'll find the estimated earnings. So basically the next payments, this month, total earned, and item sold. So what we want to do is basically scroll down until we find this payments option. So as you can see, would you like to get paid through PayPal or Pioneer? So as you can see, to get paid or to withdraw money from Teepublic, you have two options. You have the PayPal option and the Pioneer option. So for PayPal, all you need to do, just go and enter your email address of your PayPal. As you can see, when do I get paid? Artists receive their earnings on the 15th of every month. With the previous month sales, Teepublic is located on the Eastern Standard Time Zone and payments are made through the 16th. And if you have any questions about the monthly payments, please wait until the end of the day of the 16th for more information, because of the time zone. Of course, you can also here see our payments blog post if you want to go and check it out as well. But basically, to earn or to withdraw money, you have two options, either PayPal or Pioneer. And as you can see, for Pioneer, due to Pioneer fee structure, we can only send you earnings on month during which you make $20 or more at that time. All past and paid earnings will be sent as well. So you'll not get paid if you don't have $20 on, as example, the next payments. So basically, if you choose any of those, just go and enter your email right here. Let's say, as example, I want to enter my email right here. So gmail, as example.com, click on save. Once you click on save as example, yeah, you're good to go. Of course, you can edit it. You can even add or change to a Pioneer email, but of course, just let it to PayPal if you have a PayPal. If this is your PayPal email, or change it if this is your Pioneer, or don't change it. Of course, this is your Pioneer email, depending on where you want to get paid. And as I said, how to withdraw money? It's automatic on the 15th of every month. So you will get paid of how much. Basically, you can see it here on next payments September earnings as example. So as example for me, for September, as you can see, it's past the 15th. So I'll not get paid, as example, this month until next month. The same will be for you. So you'll have to wait for 15th of each month. If it's not 15, if you did not get received your payment, you'll receive it in the 16th. So you don't have to worry about that. And yeah, you will get paid basically on that specific email. So make sure to check it's the same email that you have in your PayPal or Payoneer. And important note, as example, it may take up to 48 hours for your earnings to update on your account after you made the sale or on paydays. So keep that in mind. And yeah, that's gonna be basically it for me. That's gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.